What's up, online shoppers? Now, I know this is going to sound dramatic, but I think I have found the absolute ideal chef's kiss sponge. And it's not just because it has a cheerful little smiley face on it, which does brighten my day, even when having to do dishes does not. If you've ever had to choose between a sponge that's too soft to scrub and too harsh because it's going to scratch everything, you definitely haven't found the Scrub Daddy sponges yet. Like, how can you not smile when you look at them? These are the Scrub Daddy color sponges. This is how your kitchen cleanup is going to get smarter. Made with FlexTexture, a polymer foam. And get this, they firm up in cold water for heavy duty scrubbing, but when you use them in warm water, they're soft. So you have the flexibility of firmer, tougher scrubbing and softer, gentler scrubbing just based on your water temperature. These are on repeat order in my house because I am absolutely addicted to them. Now, why do I need colors? Well, I mean, first of all, they're fun, but each pack comes in 3 colors. And it's almost like a way that you can color code what you're using your sponges for. For example, I always use the orange sponge to clean out my fridge. I use it with a tougher cleaner that I wouldn't necessarily want to put on my plates. The blue sponge I use for cleaning in my bathroom, and I associate it with like the blue toilet bowl cleaner. And then I never mix up the bathroom scrubber sponge with the green one, which is where I clean all my dishes, you know, green for veggies and such. So for me, I like the color coding system because it helps me to keep stuff straight. Adorable plus practical equals absolutely the coolest little sponges you could ever imagine. And if we're gonna be spending time cleaning, we should at least like it, right? I like the ridge on the top for gripping. I think it's really good, but I also like the ridge on the top for scrubbing at stuff. I feel like it gives me a little bit of extra oomph when I'm trying to get off something that's stuck on good. And to top it all off, these are no scratch sponges. So they're definitely less abrasive than those yellow and green or yellow and blue ones, because those ones can really scratch your surfaces. So if you're trying to protect your surfaces, these are definitely the sponges you're going to want to use. And as far as how to take care of them, literally I just squeeze them out after I'm done cleaning with them and let them dry. And they dry fast. They don't seem to get that nasty, you know, like food or residue smell that a lot of sponges do. Scratch free, deep cleaning potential, and they can also go in the dishwasher. So if you want to give them an extra sanitation, throw them in the dishwasher. Let the dishwasher sanitize them for you, and you can get even more mileage out of them. That, I think, is genius. So if you're tired of flimsy, stinky sponges that do not stand up to the demands of your rigorous cleaning schedule, you might want to get yourself some Scrub Daddies. Very versatile, super, super capable, and they smile at you when you're working. Like, who could ask for anything more? I'm telling you, they are a keeper. And at my house, they're also a family favorite.